Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Gardening has proven mental, physical, and spiritual health benefits. Today we're at my dad's house. He's been a gardener for 30 years. We're going to talk about the specific physical, mental, and spiritual benefits that come with gardening. My dad has a passion for gardening. Every year, starting in May, he plants the garden in the backyard with all sorts of vegetables and herbs commonly used in Indian cooking, such as eggplant, squash, cilantro, mint, and tomatoes. He also rotates certain vegetables based off of the season. One of the best ways in which we can honor Father's Day is to learn habits from our parents which promote health and well-being. A lot of things get lost from one generation to the next, but if we use Father's Day to reflect on our family traditions, then we can strengthen our bonds with family and preserve our heritage. Many people from Punjab keep gardens. It reflects the culture of Punjab, which is historically based on agriculture. Doing this has proven mental and physical health benefits. Interacting with plants lowers stress hormones, elevates brain chemicals that promote good mood, and can potentially reduce the risk of memory loss. The physical health benefits of gardening include a full body workout, which burns calories and strengthens muscles, and better nutrition from eating vegetables grown at home. Gurbani also frequently mentions gardening and farming. One example is Man hali kirsani karni, saram pani tan khet. Make your mind the farmer, good deeds the farm, modesty the water, and your body the field. Naam bij santokh suhaga, rakh garibi ves. And let the Lord's name be the seed, contentment the plow, and your humble dress the fence with which you protect the garden. Pao karam kar jammasi, se kar pagat dekh. Doing deeds of love, the seed shall sprout, and you shall see your home flourish. My dad often grows gourds or toris, which are bigger than me growing up. He was featured in a Punjabi newspaper because of his love for gardening, and the size of the tori was highlighted. But let's hear directly from my dad on why he keeps a garden. And so, Dad, why do you do this garden every year?
That connect with nature. Garden actually make connection with nature. You see plant growing, and that's very, very comforting to mind. Give peace and happiness.
Isn't it cheaper to get vegetables in the market?
That's what my neighbor told me, that why I'm struggling here, why I'm doing. I said I'm not struggling, I'm enjoying. So sometimes they see me that in the morning and all that, I drink my coffee here. So that you cannot put a price on that, the enjoyment.
So what I'm hearing from you is time well spent. You enjoy the time.
Definitely. Like this is you cannot put price tag on happiness and relaxation.
Yeah.
That's what it is.